everyone, welcome back to the Diabetic Diet Show. Today I'm going to do a review on the NuWave oven. It's probably not going to be real favorable, so stick around and watch. Before I forget, more information is available by hitting the subscribe button and then the more button where you'll see more details about the video, or you can go to my website, which is jamestdds.blogspot.com. So we're going to start out with some bacon. I only pick one kind of bacon. As far as I'm concerned, that's all that exists. I don't work for Oscar Mayer, but they're the only bacon that I buy. I prefer to buy the thick cut of bacon. So when I receive my bacon and I'm ready to use it, the first thing I do is just take my scissors, and these are just some old inexpensive dollar store scissors that I don't mind messing up. I cut it in half. So that's my first suggestion, cut your bacon in half. Now, this NuWave oven, I've been using it for quite a while now, and I gotta tell you, it's difficult to use at best. It's not designed very well, so I'm not real good at giving reviews about things that I'm not real happy with. The problem is I spent a bunch of money on it to buy it. I wish I would have bought one of the other brands. Nevertheless, I have it. If you have one, let's talk about how to use it. So what I do is I lay out my bacon in my tray, and this is a small tray, so chances are you could only do half at one time. Now I do have this in the larger ones that fit a regular stove, and when I do an entire package, I use 2 of those and I cook them in the stove at 400 for about 20-some minutes. You're going to be so happy when you do this. First of all, it doesn't make a mess. It's very easy to clean up. And if you want, you can even buy foils. And I normally buy them in the box, but the box kind of disintegrated. But as you can see, these are small sheets. And if you really just want to make your life easy, buy these small sheets, put it in like that, cleanup will be a breeze. Well, let's get started with laying out the bacon. To lay out the bacon, some people use the little spatula like this. You can lay them this way, across like that. Might work better on this. I've seen the other models on TV. I've watched the commercials over and over again trying to, squint and get a close-up look of what they look like, of how you would operate them, and the other brands do look better. I know you've probably seen a lot of my reviews, and I've been happy with a lot of the products that I bought, but I don't work for them, I don't get paid. I'm just giving you an honest review of what I think for someone that's been using it for a while. So now I have the bacon all laid out, and let's go ahead and let's get this in the oven. Now, best I can figure, we want the broil. So I start to turn that, and it turns the temperature, so that didn't work. I think maybe this button here will work. Went all the way down to the bottom. There's bake. Oh, it goes that way there. There's broil. Okay, now the 4, I don't know what the 4 is. I don't know if that's, I think that's the 4th setting is what that is. Now, what I like to do is to hit this button here, which is your temperature button, and it says that it's 500, which is what I want to cook bacon at. And then I hit this one, and it tells me how long it's going to cook for. I don't know why it's on 5. Even if that's 5 minutes, that doesn't make sense, because this thing will take a few minutes to preheat. So, I don't know. I just change it. Oh, I guess it changed already. See, now it changed already. Now it's no longer on broil because I let it sit. Alright, so we're going to go back to broil. Now it's on 500. It's blinking. Who knows what the blinking means? There's no on, off. Who knows? The only way I could tell if it's on is I look and see if the element's light or not. Now I'm going to hit the time button, and I'm just going to go 25 minutes. And then I hit the time button. This one here, button displays where it is again. So I'm going to go back over here. Apparently it's decided to cook for 2 minutes. I don't know why it's cooking for 2 minutes. I thought I told it to cook for 25 minutes. Now it's blinking on 5, says it's ready. I don't know what the 5 means. Now I hit this button, now it's on 100 degrees Fahrenheit. I couldn't fake this. This is ridiculous. Alright, here we go again. So here's what I end up doing. Turn it off, turn it back on. Okay, that's changing the temperature. Let's go over here. I believe this will put us down. This will put us to, well, there's grill. Here, now I'm on broil. I'm on 500 again now. Now I'm going to change this to the 25 minutes that I want. Says it's preheating. The pre button is blinking. Apparently, with budget costs, they couldn't put the word preheating. They had to save some characters. Maybe they save them and use them for another source. Here we go. I just opened the door and it is all done. It's funny because the numbers said 25 a minute ago, and now all of a sudden it's completely done. So I don't know what to tell you about using this thing. It's here's the racks. See how flimsy the racks are? I don't know if you can see better maybe at this angle. See how flimsy the racks are? They fall out on you. I think it's okay, it works, but I wish I would have bought a different brand. So that's my review. Take it for what it's worth. I have bacon that I can use to make some other things. Thanks for watching. Goodbye for now.